Okay, this is Thursday, the 8th of February, 2024. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, 36 degrees outside Arcade, Georgia. And we're going to turn this around. This is where we get a lot of our stuff done when we're over here in Arcade. And this morning we're going to boil some eggs with a Gourmia digital air fryer, 4-quart. This will be about the third thing we've done with the air fryer. I need to start doing more with it. It's very versatile, and so far everything has turned out good. We did the grilled cheese, we did hamburgers. Have we done anything else? This may be all. But anyway, I'm going to get some instructions. I think I saw one lady where she heated it to preheated to 270 and then cooked the eggs for 15 minutes. So I'm going to see if that is a good setting, and we may go from there, see what it's like. Yeah, but this is where we're at over here in Arcade. I'm trying to add variety to the channel. If y'all, Frank has him a skeleton over there in a wheelchair. He's gonna put that moped up there on the wall at that place up there. Tell me what kind of videos y'all like to see. Reviews of tools, cooking stuff, driving videos, place videos, reading uncopyrighted poetry. Tell me what y'all like. But right there, this morning we're going to do some boiled eggs with this Gourmia air fryer. So let's get started. Okay, well, all we did was hit air fry, and then we adjusted the temperature to 270 for 15 minutes. We saw another recipe that said 250 for 16 minutes, but we're doing the 270 for 15 minutes. And we put the, then it did the preheat, and it just told us to add the food. So we added the food. So in 14 minutes, we will pull the eggs out, and we'll take them and put them in some ice water, let them sit for 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll see how they do, see if they peel up and turn out okay. And I'm not sure, we'll find out here before too long, but I think at halfway it's going to tell us to turn the food. So we'll just open the little drawer, roll the eggs around, and stick them back in. But it may not. We'll wait and we'll see. It should, at 750, it should, I guess it'll tell us to turn the food. We'll see. Yes, it says to turn the food. We didn't turn the food. It didn't give us time to turn the food. Let's see if we can take it out. No. Now, we'll just roll them around. There. We hesitated, and it started cooking again. It didn't give us not long to turn the food, but that rolled them around some. So yeah, at halfway it'll tell you to turn the food and then go back at it. So we'll see how these eggs turn out in another 6 or another 7 minutes. While it's cooking, I guess I can tell you about this. I got it at Walmart. I think it was $49, or was it $30? I don't remember what it was now. 4-quart capacity, serves up to 4. 12 one-touch cooking functions, preheat oven, turn reminder option, but this tells you guided cooking prompts, easy cleanup. I found all of that to be true so far, what I've used. Speed and savings, cooks faster and uses less energy than traditional ovens. No more than I've done with it so far. I've been very happy with it. I say even grilled cheese. So we'll see how the boiled eggs turn out. Yeah, and the shop cat has come down to see us. Where is the shop cat? There she is. She has taken on a less scruffy appearance. She's got food over there, so I don't know what she's meowing about. She probably wants to be petted. It's about time for her petting, her cat scratch this morning. Yeah, the shop cat is still real skittish. She is a feral cat that was out in the woods, and we have brought her in. She's already done her job very effectively running the squirrels out of the attic, and for some reason she prefers going back to the attic. So whatever she likes, she can go and come up as she likes, whatever she wants to do. And like I say, she's starting to take on more of a sheen, like a normal cat, but she's still very skittish. She jumped up on the table and saw the air fryer and decided that that wasn't something that she cared for. But she's headed over there for her snack right now. Okay, the eggs have been cooling in the water. This will be showtime to see how they peel. Okay, all 4 eggs peeled just right. Now, these 2 here, both of them had a little brown in the shell. I'm thinking maybe they didn't get rolled around good or something other and they got too hot on that end. That's just my guess. If anybody has any other information, this is my first attempt at air frying boiled eggs, but they look great. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on a couple of them and have them for breakfast. So I think that'll conclude our Gourmia air fried boiled eggs. I've got to get this recipe book out and check it out, see what all else we can do with this thing, and do some more with it. So we'll get this video put together and uploaded, and I guess I need to try one and let you know how it tastes. Well, there you have it. I had one, a little salt and pepper on it. It was just right. Couldn't ask for them to be any better. So I guess this will conclude this video. We'll try to figure out something else to get uploaded for today. And also, if y'all have ideas, let me know, because I'm trying to add some variety to the channel. I really need to pick up subscribers and view time, watch time. So anyway, if you got ideas, let me know. So this will wrap this one up.